In this video, I'll show you multiple ways to fix the issue when your Bose headphones won't connect to your device, whether it's a phone, laptop, or tablet. Let's get started. Method 1. Restart everything. Turn off your Bose headphones. Restart the device you're trying to connect to, phone, laptop, etc. Turn the headphones back on and try pairing again. Method 2. Clear Bluetooth pairing list on headphones. Slide and hold the power switch on your Bose headphones to the Bluetooth symbol for about 10 seconds. You'll hear Bluetooth device list cleared or see a blinking light. And now repair your headphones from your device's Bluetooth settings. Method 4. Use the Bose Music app. Download the Bose Music app on your device. Open the app, find your headphones, and follow the prompts to reconnect. This often solves firmware or compatibility issues. Method 5. Update firmware. Use the Bose Music app or visit bteu.bose.com on a PC to check for any available firmware updates. Updating your headphones can fix bugs that block connections. Method 6. Reset your Bose headphones. For most Bose models, 1. Turn off the headphones. 2. Wait 30 seconds. 3. Plug them into a wall outlet using a USB charger for 5 seconds. 4. Unplug and wait 1 minute. 5. Turn the headphones back on and try pairing again. Check your specific model on Bose's website if this reset doesn't work. Thanks for watching. If this helped you fix your Bose connection problem, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech fix tutorials.